Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We had the Kid LAROI with Hot Girl Problems. I'm happy I don't have to care about these problems anyway. I'm just gonna teach how to play this, and yeah, let's go into it. Very simple song. We have 3 chords, no need for any capo here. Let's look at the chords: E, C sharp minor, and D sharp minor. Starting with E, it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. C sharp minor, bar chord, you place any finger on 4th fret, push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th B. And then you take the very same grip and move it 2 fret inwards closer into your body like this, and you're gonna hit that 6th fret with the index finger. Everything else follows there, and that will be the D sharp minor. And yeah, the rest will be 8 on D, 8 G, and 7th on B. So that will be the chord progression through the entire song. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have 2-part strumming here. So we're gonna play E part 1 and then C sharp minor part 2. So we're gonna look into that transition first. So E part 1 goes like this. So you're gonna play 3 downs, 1, 2, 3, and then down up. Okay, so I like to play on the bass string for the first 2 downs, so bass, bass, and then the rest down, down, up. I play in the mid, higher string area. Okay, that's just some technical stuff, how I liked it. And anyway, let's go into the part 2, and with the strumming, that will be the C sharp minor, and you're gonna play up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. So if you combine these 2 chords and strumming patterns, it will be and then you slide into the last chord, the D sharp minor, and play 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2. And that's it. So, a couple rounds. That's it, my friends. The Kid LAROI, Hot Girl Problems. Give it a try. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.